Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Today we are going to be making these bouncy balls. They are just like the bouncy balls you can buy in stores, but we are going to be making them with ingredients you probably already have at home. To make these bouncy balls, you need to use borax laundry detergent. So, be sure to wash your hands before, during, and after this experiment and ask an adult to help you with the mixing. After we make these bouncy balls, they're super fun to play with. See how they bounce. Pretty fun, hey? Let's see how we make them. You will need borax laundry detergent, some food coloring, mixing bowls and water, cornstarch, and some white glue. You could also use clear craft glue as well. We are going to start off with two separate bowls. One will have your 2 tablespoons of glue in it. You are going to add your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and some food coloring if you want. Mix your glue and cornstarch together well. In your other bowl, you are going to have half a cup of warm water. You are going to mix in 1 tablespoon of borax into this bowl. Stir it until there's no borax. This means that it will be clear. Now it's time for the magic. You are going to pour your glue and cornstarch mixture into the borax water. You are then going to let it sit for at least 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, your glob should be hard. Now is the time to take it out and start rolling it into a ball with your hands. As you can see, mine looks quite sticky. So, if your ball is still sticky, simply dip it in the water again. Keep rolling until it is a firm, hard ball. Once it is firm and hard, you'll be able to bounce it.